Here we are with the free mock test series of plant pathology. Here is the mock test 2, disease of field and horticultural crops. Question number 1, black tip of mango is caused by option A pythium, option B boron deficiency, option C calcium deficiency, option D zinc deficiency. The correct answer is option B boron deficiency. Calcium deficiency causes blossom and rot in tomato. Zinc deficiency causes khera disease in rice. Question number 2, Tolyposporium penicilliarii causes option A smut of sugarcane, option B grain smut of sorghum, option C bajra smut, option D powdery mildew of sorghum. The correct answer is option C bajra smut. Question number 3, stripe disease of barley is caused by option A Drosera gramineum, option B Drosera oryzae, option C Puccinia stripiformis, option D none of the above. The correct answer is option A Drosera gramineum. Question number 4, green ear of bajra is caused by option A Riciphe graminis, option B Albugo candida, option C Sclerospora graminicola, option D Rhizopus oryzae. The correct answer is option C Sclerospora graminicola. Question number 5, drying of plant organs, especially branches from the tip to backward, is known as option A sun scald, option B dieback, option C wilting, option D necrosis. The correct answer is option B dieback. The injury due to direct sunlight is known as sun scald. Dying of plants due to blockage of xylem vessels is known as wilting, and death of cells and tissues is known as necrosis. Question number 6, the term necrosis means option A death of cells, option B curling of plant organ, option C blightening, option D atrophy. The correct answer is option A death of cells. Question number 7, the abnormal increase in the size of plant organ is known as option A hyperplasia, option B hypertrophy, option C both and B, option D reduced growth. The correct answer is option C both A and B. Excess cell division rate terms hyperplasia and enlargement of cells termed hypertrophy. Question number 8, alternate pattern of green and yellow colors on infected part is known as option A mottling, option B leaf curling, option C mosaic, option D leaf rolling. The correct answer is option C mosaic. Question number 9, late blight of potato was reported 1870 to 1880 in India for very first time in option A Simla Hills, option B Darjeeling, option C Nilgiri Hills, option D Chota Nagpur Plateau. The correct answer is option C Nilgiri Hills. Question number 10, covered smut of barley is caused by option A Astilago nuda, option B Astilago hordi, option C Astilago sitmania, option D Astilago amani. The correct answer is option B Astilago hordi. Question number 11, literally meaning of term quarantine, option A 40 days, option B man-made laws, option C natural disaster, option D COVID-19 isolation. The correct answer is option A 40 days. Question number 12, Silent Spring book is written by option A Vanderplank, option B E.J. Butler, option C K.C. Mehta, option D Rachel Carson. The correct answer is option D Rachel Carson. So the Rachel Carson is the writer of the book Silent Spring. Question number 13, citrus canker is caused by option A Xanthomonas campestris pathovariety citri, option B Xanthomonas citri pathovariety citri, option C Erwinia amylovora, option D Claviceps fusiformis. The correct answer is option A Xanthomonas campestris pathovariety citri. Question number 14, the perfect stage of Coledotrichum falcatum causal organism of red rot of sugarcane is option A Glomerella cingulata, option B Astilago amani, option C Glomerella tucumenensis, option D none of the above. The correct answer is option C Glomerella tucumenensis. Question number 15, the green ear of pearl millet was first time reported in India by option A K.C. Mehta, option B E.J. Butler, option C B.B. Mundkar, option D R. Prasad. The correct answer is option B E.J. Butler. Question number 16. The powdery mildew of wheat is associated with which of the following fungi? Option A Erysiphe graminis fungi species Hordi. Option B Erysiphe polygoni. Option C Erysiphe triticii fungi species triticii. Erysiphe graminis fungi species triticii. The correct answer is option D Erysiphe graminis fungi species triticii. Question number 17. Loose smut is a which of the following type of disease? Option A internally seed-borne. Option B externally seed-borne. Option C both A and B. Option D none of these. The correct answer is option A internally seed-borne disease. So the loose smut is an internally seed-borne disease. Question number 18. Which of the following spores of Puccinia graminis triticii, pathogen of black rust, infects the barberry plant? Option A Teleospores, option B Urodospore, option C Aciospores, option D Basidiospore. The correct answer is option D Basidiospore. Question number 19. Concentric rings in the center of the spores are the major symptoms of which of the following disease? Option A late blight of potato, option B early blight of potato, option C powdery mildew of wheat, option D all of these. The correct answer is option B early blight of potato. Question number 20. Early blight of potato is which of the following type of disease? Option A soil-borne disease, option B airborne disease, option C seed-borne disease, option D all of these. The correct answer is option A soil-borne disease. Question number 21. For the effective control of wilt, pigeon pea should be mixed crop with which of the following crop? Option A maize, option B pearl millet, option C sorghum, option D moong. The correct answer is option C sorghum. Question number 22. Yellow vein mosaic of okra is a viral disease. Which of the following insect transmit this disease? Option A jacid, option B borer, option C aphid, option D leaf hopper and whiteflies. The correct answer is option D leaf hopper and whiteflies. Question number 23. Bacterial diseases are controlled by the use of which type of chemicals? Option A rodenticides, option B acaricides, option C antibiotics, option D fungicides. The correct answer is option C antibiotics. Acaricides are used for control of the mites and rodenticides are used for control of the rodents. Question number 24. Earthing up can used for the control of which of the following disease? Option A late blight of potato, option B white rust of crucifer, option C powdery mildew of disease wheat, option D all of the above. The correct answer is option A late blight of potato. Question number 25. Secretion of honeydew and sclerotia are related with which of the following disease? Option A green ear of bajra, option B loose smut of wheat, option C ergot of bajra, option D covered smut of barley. The correct answer is option C ergot of bajra. The head converted into small leaves is the symptom of green ear of bajra, and when the all parts of ear converted into black parts is the symptom of loose smut of wheat, and when ear covered with a silvery membrane is symptom of covered smut of barley. Question number 26. In the severe infection of loose smut of wheat, a structure remains in place of ear which is called as option A rachis, option B leaf margin, option C grains, option D lemma and palea. The correct answer is option A rachis. Question number 27. Carnal bunt is which of the following type of disease? Option A internally seed-borne, option B externally seed-borne, option C soil-borne disease, option D both B and C. The correct answer is option B externally seed-borne disease. Question number 28. Sickle-shaped spore are the identification of which of the following pathogen? Option A Erysiphe graminis, option B Albugo candida, option C Sclerospora graminicola. Option D, Nivosia indica. The correct answer is option D, Nivosia indica. The Nivosia indica is the causal organism of Carnal bunt disease. Question number 29. Soros is the sign of appearance of a pathogen or its part of which of the following symptom? Option A, smut. Option B, bunt. Option C, blast. Option D, mildew. The correct answer is option A, smut. Question number 30. Alternate host of brown rust Puccinia recondita of wheat is? Option A, Agripyron. Option B, barberry. Option C, thalictrum. Option D, panicum. The correct answer is option C, thalictrum. Question number 31. Basidiospore of black rust of wheat present in? Option A, grains. Option B, soil. Option C, air. Option D, alternate host. The correct answer is option B, soil. Question number 32. Dull black or dark black appearance on wheat field due to which type of appearance? Spores. Option A, uridospore. Option B, basidiospore. Option C, teleospore. Option D, pycnospore. The correct answer is option C, teleospores. Question number 33. The rust fungi Melamsora lini, which produces its all stage on a single plant, is termed as? Option A, homoecious. Option B, heteroecious. Option C, alloecious. Option D, autoecious. The correct answer is option D, autoecious. Question number 34. Which of the following toxins is produced by pathogen or early blight of potato? Alternaria solani. Option A, ergotoxin. Option B, alternaric acid. Option C, hydrocyanic acid. Option D, all of the above. The correct answer is option B, alternaric acid. The ergotoxin produced by ergot disease and HC and hydrocyanic acid found in sorghum. Question number 35. Which of the most danger pathogen of the following which cause ticca disease in groundnut? Option A, Cercospora personata. Option B, Cercospora arachidicola. Option C, both of these. Option D, none of these. The correct answer is option A, Cercospora personata. So the Cercospora personata is the most dangerous pathogen among the following. Question number 36. Ticca disease of groundnut is which type of following? Which type of the disease? Option A, seed-borne disease. Option B, airborne disease. Option C, soil-borne disease. Option D, both A and C. The correct answer is option D, both A and C. So the ticca disease of groundnut is seed-borne and soil-borne disease. Question number 37. Deficiency of which nutrient groundnut plant becomes susceptible to ticca disease? Option A, magnesium. Option B, manganese. Option C, zinc. Option D, copper. So the correct answer is option A, magnesium. Question number 38. Excess use of nitrogen makes plant dash against the disease. Option A, resistant. Option B, immune. Option C, susceptible. Option D, all of these. The correct answer is option C, susceptible. So the excess application of the nitrogen is makes susceptible the plant against the disease. Question number 39. After harvesting of pigeon pea crop, where does pathogen of wilt of arhar survive in or on? Option A, alternate host of pathogen. Option B, plant debris. Option C, root left in soil. Option D, all of these. The correct answer is option C, root left in soil. Question number 40. Crater-like rough structure formed in which of the following disease? Option A, ergot of bajra. Option B, little leaf of brinjal. Option C, bhendi mosaic. Option D, citrus canker. The correct answer is option D, citrus canker. Question number 40. Which insect is responsible for transmitting the citrus canker into plant? Option A, stem borer. Option B, earhead caterpillar. Option C, leaf miner. Option D, leaf hopper. The correct answer is option C, leaf miner. Question number 42. Interveinal chlorosis on new leaves and tan colored spots on lower leaves are the symptom of which of the following disease? Option A, anthracnose of bajra. Option B, red rot of sugarcane. Option C, khera disease of rice. Option D, nitrogen deficiency. The correct answer is option C, khera disease of rice. Question number 43. Vector responsible for transmitting the little leaf of brinjal. Option A, Bemisia tabekai. Option B, Hicimonas phystatis. option C Thysanura citrai, option D Phyllonistis citrella. The correct answer is option B Hicimonas phycetis. So the Hicimonas phycetis is the responsible for transmission of little leaf of brinjal. Question number 44. Where was little leaf of brinjal firstly reported in India? Option A Kanpur, option B Samli, option C Coimbatore, option D Hyderabad. The correct answer is option C Coimbatore. So the little leaf of brinjal was firstly reported in India was Coimbatore. Question number 45. Which of the following nucleic acid have tobacco mosaic virus? Option A double stranded DNA, option B single stranded DNA, option C double stranded RNA, option D single stranded RNA. The correct answer is option D single stranded RNA. So the tobacco mosaic virus have single stranded RNA type of nucleic acid. Question number 46. Which of the following variety of tobacco having resistance against TMV? Option A Bhairavi, option B Ambalema, option C CTRI special, option D Hemadri. The correct answer is option B Ambalema. So Ambalema, the variety of tobacco having the resistance against TMV. Question number 47. Which of the following chemical spray is recommended for the control of spreading of yellow vein mosaic of okra? Option A carbendazim, option B quinalphos, option C folidol, option D propiconazole. The correct answer is option C folidol. So the folidol, the chemical spray of folidol is recommended for the control of spreading of yellow vein mosaic of virus of okra. Question number 48. Which of the following reasons are responsible for the failure of resistant varieties? Option A segregation, option B improper backcrossing, option C wrong screening, option D all of the above. The correct answer is option D all of the above. So the segregation, improper backcrossing, wrong screening are the responsible reasons for the failure of resistant varieties. Question number 49. Which of the following is a systemic fungicide? Option A Benomil, option B Therum, option C Bordeaux mixture, option D chlorothalonil. The correct answer is option A Benomil. So the Benomil is a systemic fungicide. Question number 50. Which of the following is a contact fungicide? Option A carbendazim, option B metalaxyl, option C propiconazole, option D Farbam. So the correct answer is option D Farbam. So the Farbam is a contact fungicide.